and welcome to Cakes and Conversations. Today we are going to learn to make bubble shard. For this we only need spatula, the spatula, icing spatula, a silicone mat, liquid glucose, and a bowl, and gel colors if you need the bubble shard to be colored. So I'm just taking a little bit of liquid glucose in the bowl because I need it to warm it up a little to make the consistency a little thinner. The thinner the shard is, the more bubbles it gets. So I'm just going to warm this up in the microwave. I warmed this in the microwave. You see the consistency is quite thinner, just for 15 seconds. And my oven is getting preheated at 150 degrees centigrade. I'm just pouring this on the mat. You see the consistency is very thin. We will spread it at as thin as it can be. You can leave it plain like this if you need it transparent. I'll just show you if you are doing a color, how will it be. So you just put little color. With a toothpick, just spread the color. You don't have to be very neat here. If you need this, I'm showing you where we'll get three colors in the bubble shard. In case if you need all one color, you can add color when you're microwaving it. That's it. Now we're gonna put this in the oven. Oven is already preheated, as I mentioned, at 150 degrees Celsius, and we'll just put it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes because we need the sugar sheet to be hardened. So the more the cooking time, it will get completely hardened once it's out of the oven and it cools down. This is how it looks in the oven. And this bubbling needs to be continued for the next 30 minutes. Actually, 20 minutes. 30 to 40 minutes is fine. So in my next 20 minutes, because the 10 minutes are already done. Once it's out of the oven, I'll show you how it will look. This is how it looks when it is out of the oven. It's already cooled down. We'll try to remove this. Very gently because it's quite thin and very delicate as well. It's very good for a sea-themed cake, like a beautiful coral. I mean, if you want to do, this is dual shade. If we couldn't join it from here, if you want dual shade with this also, I mean triple shade, like a midnight theme or something. So then while spreading itself, you need to, before putting in the oven, just spread it evenly after you color it. This also you will store it at room in airtight container with silica gel packets, because this is also sugar, and sugar when touches to moisture will become sticky. Okay, I'm demolding the black one. This is how you make bubble shards. Very easy with just one ingredient. I just wanted to show you how to store the bubble shard, because it is sugar, it will stick to itself. That's why do not store it on one top of each other without placing any baking paper in between. So we're gonna that's how you're gonna store this. Very lightly, do not press it. That's how you will store the sugar shards. Thank you so much for watching.